Hello again, I'm Doctor Cynthia Earle, audiologist and owner of Asheville Audiology Services. On this video we're going to cover in the ear and the canal hearing aids, custom-made products, how to clean them. Again, most repairs that I send back to the factory are because the patient doesn't take the time to clean their hearing aid. It only takes a few seconds every night before you put the hearing aid to bed to clean the device, and if you clean it, you will have less repairs down the road. So many of the repairs are what I call self-induced hearing aid repairs. So let's start with custom products. We're first looking at this product here. It's an in-the-ear hearing aid. On the in-the-ear hearing aid, this one, this is the battery compartment. I call this the commode lid battery door. Right now the hearing aid is off. When I push up on the door, I've now turned the hearing aid on. These two little ports right here are the microphones. You can see they're very tiny. It doesn't take a lot of dead skin to clog those up or oil. So at night before you put this one to bed, take your brush and brush across both of those microphones. You may not think you're doing anything when you brush, but dead skin's invisible. We shed a lot of it all the time, and we don't want the dead skin and oil to get down inside the microphone diaphragm and cause the microphone to fail. So brush. Now, this is the piece that goes inside the ear. The newer hearing aids all usually come now with what we call wax filters. That's what that little white piece is. That's protecting the speaker up inside the hearing aid. It's protecting the debris, the wax, the oil, the moisture from getting up inside. So we want to brush across that little filter so that we don't have to change them very often. So after you brush the mics, you're going to brush across here, but we don't want to brush this way because we would be forcing it down inside the hearing aid. Hold your brush up, take the instrument and the white filter and just run that white filter across the bristles like this. And believe me, if there's anything there, more than likely if you did this every day, it's going to knock it out. So that filter would rarely get clogged. Now, at some point, even though you're brushing, the filter is going to get clogged. So if you have a hearing instrument that's custom made with a little white filter, and all of a sudden you can't get the hearing aid to whistle, you've got a new battery in it, you've got it turned on, you've brushed, no whistle, that's called feedback. I'm squeezing it in my hand and causing the sound, forcing the sound back down inside the microphone. You're going to get one of your filters out of the packages we give you. And so that's what the inside of that white filter looks like. And to change this one, we use the little point at the other end. We push that little point. In this type of hearing aid, we push it straight in. Some of the hearing aids require that you twist it to pull it out, but this one just pushes straight in, and we pull the dirty filter out. Then we turn it over, and we snap a clean one, just push it right in. And again, some of the hearing aids like Starkey, you actually do a twisting motion. So now we have a clean filter in. I tell all my patients, just push on it and make certain it's in there good. And hearing aid's going to work again when you put it back in your ear. But if you brush every day, you won't have to worry about changing these filters very much. Now, the older products, many of those didn't have the filters. So, in this hearing aid, this is an older custom product. This one only has one microphone. That's that little hole right there. So again, I would brush across the mic to brush away the oil and the dead skin and the debris. With this one, I would give you a tool. It has a little scooper, a little loop at the end, and the little tubing area, your speaker is up inside there. So every night you want to take that and push it in as far as it lets you go and pull out. If there was wax or dead skin there, you would pull it out, wipe it off with a tissue, go in again and do this until it comes out clean. So those are the examples of cleaning the custom products. Cleaning your hearing aid will reduce your repairs down the road. It will make your hearing aid last longer. Again, remember, cleanliness is next to godliness when it comes to hearing aids. Thanks again. Goodbye.